Okay, I'm about to cut Layla's hair. Chopping off about 6 inches.
More than that.
Of this beautiful curly blonde hair. There you go, Jay.
Okay.
Let's take a look. Ready? You sure?
Yep. Oh.
All right, no. No going back. That's it. That's like a pound of hair.
And that's her hair now. Did you like it, Layla?
It's short.
Fine. I'm fine. So I'm
I
dying.
love that game. I love that game. I have it.
Oh, okay.
You're a bad vlogger, Jay. Look up.
Sorry. Why are you doing that?
I gotta part it so that I make sure it's even.
That's all this stuff.
You like it this short?
No, I like it long.
I like it short.
Ma,
Yes.
can I have a sleepover with Andrew?
Right now I'm cutting hair.
I know, but can I? Do you want me to stop vlogging?
Yes, we'll come back
Okay.
to the final product.
Yep.
Okay, we're done. We cut her hair. Turn around. Let me see. Bring it to the front.
It's so short.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll see what it looks like when it's dry. Oh, show them how much hair we cut.
Just that much.
That's a lot.
Is that a lot?
Yes, it is. Okay, child number 2. Why won't you focus? There we go. About to cut off a good 4 inches.
4 inches, Mom. What are you talking about?
About 4 inches.
Is that really? I can't see it, so I don't know. It doesn't feel like 4 inches.
Here, Layla, come hold this for me.
Okay. It doesn't feel like 4 inches.
It's more.
It really is? I don't know if you guys have accurate measurements. This is bad.
It's a haircutting kind of day.
Yay. Cut one
All right.
haircut. Short hair. Chop it off. Oh, I feel it.
See, even Romy said no, don't do it.
No.
Again, no.
Yes, I'm going outside. You can't go.
Yeah.
There we go.
It's not a lot at all.
I'm free. That's not 4. Is that 4?
That's 6.
That's 6.
All
Go get
right,
a ruler.
We'll see it when it's done.
Yay, bye.
Okay, we're done. How do you like it?
I like it. It's short.
There you go. At home haircut.
Good job, Mom.
Alright, so now I changed the selfie stick thingy to a little buoy one in case we drop it. She's cold. Ay, there's a bunch of rocks over here. I'm getting there.